This is Made in India, a series about ideas that didn't just build companies, they preserved culture, empowered communities, and redefined modern business. And today's story begins not in a boardroom, but in the homes of artisans, at the rhythm of looms, in the hands of weavers, dryers, and craftsmen. This is the story of Fab India. In the 1960s, India was rich in textile traditions, but artisans struggled. Their craft was undervalued, their markets were limited, and their livelihoods were uncertain. And that's when one vision emerged: connect India's rural artisans with urban markets, preserving tradition while creating sustainable livelihoods. Fab India was founded in 1960 by Mr. John Bissell, an American who saw the potential of Indian crafts. He didn't just see the products, he saw the people, the culture, and the stories. Fab India wasn't just created as a retail brand, it was created as a bridge between tradition and modernity. At its core, the Fab India model works on three principles. Number one is directly sourcing from artisans, which ensured fair wages, sustainable practices, and consistent demand. Number two is preserving traditional crafts, from handloom textiles to pottery and home decor. And number three is modern presentation for contemporary markets, bringing rural heritage to urban homes without losing authenticity. And most importantly, empowering the creators, not just selling the products. Today's consumers care about sustainability, ethical sourcing, authenticity, and meaningful impact. And that's exactly what Fab India represents. In a world of fast fashion, people are looking for products with purpose. Fab India has built its ethos around this decades ago. A Fab India kurta or rug isn't just about the product, it's a story of a weaver in a village, preserving centuries-old tradition. Rather than replacing artisans with machines, Fab India strengthened them. In today's world where automation is rising, this human-centered approach is invaluable. Fab India's focus on quality, durability, and timeless design aligns perfectly with global push for sustainable consumption. Consider a weaver in a small village in Uttar Pradesh. Before Fab India, there was limited reach and low and unpredictable income. However, after Fab India, there was regular orders from urban stores, fair wages and recognition, and preservation of traditional handloom skills. The result? A craft that could have been lost is now a thriving livelihood. Fab India's genius is in adapting tradition without diluting it. Ethnic fabrics meet contemporary cuts, handcrafted designs fit modern homes, and rural craftsmanship meets global standards. The lesson is that you don't have to choose between tradition and modernity. They can coexist beautifully. As India grows globally, Fab India offers key lessons. First, value your roots. Heritage and culture are not liabilities, they are assets. Second, build with purpose. Businesses that create social impact create deeper connections. And third, empower the creators, not just the consumers. Sustainable growth flows both ways. And fourth, think long-term sustainability. Success isn't just about scaling, it's about lasting impact. When we say Made in India, Fab India represents something meaningful: craftsmanship, ethical commerce, and cultural preservation. It shows that Indian heritage can travel globally while remaining authentic. The story of Fab India is not just a story about retail. It's about dignity, it's about identity, it's about creating a future where tradition is not forgotten. It reminds us that progress doesn't always mean moving away from the past. Sometimes progress is carrying it forward, thoughtfully and beautifully. Because when you respect the hands that create, you don't just sell a product, you preserve a culture. This is Made in India, and this was Fab India, a brand that didn't just sell products, it wove India's soul into modern life. Thank you.